Meaning of dessert.
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 Dessert. Dessert refers to a sweet dish that is usually eaten after the main course of a meal. Usually, desserts are prepared with sugar, flour, and other ingredients like fruit, cream, nuts, and chocolate. Desserts are often considered a luxury and are commonly associated with celebrations and holidays. They can range from simple treats like cookies and ice cream to elaborate cakes and pastries. Desserts provide a satisfying end to a meal and are enjoyed by people of all ages around the world.